Hey gang, the 10 times challenge webinar begins shortly. I am so pumped. I'm gonna do a live trade, follow along, make some money, take the trade, and enjoy the profits. I'll see you later today. If you haven't signed up yet, this is your last chance. Click the button below now to grab your free spot. We start promptly at 1 p.m. Eastern. The room is already filling up. Show up early and say hi before we get started. So guys, here's what you need to get ready for the webinar. No distractions. Make sure you have a notepad. Make sure your trading platform is ready to go. I want you. I'm looking for the best of the best to put in my program. I'm looking for a 3-year commitment. If you have what it takes, join me. I'm ready for you. It's almost time for the 10 times challenge. If you want to join this life-changing challenge, be in the webinar room by 1 p.m. Eastern. We'll take the first step in a 3-year journey together. I'm guaranteeing you a chance to turn every $10,000 into $100,000 before the challenge is over. And guys, if I'm wrong, I'm going to pay you $10,000. I'll give you all the details during the webinar. Click the button below to sign up now. This is your last chance.